अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है ट्वेल्थ क्लास के लिए बिजनेस स्टडीज़ से हमने लिया है। जो हमारा नया चैप्टर चल रहा है दैट इज़ स्टाफिंग एज पार्ट ऑफ ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट। कल हमने बात की थी कि स्टाफिंग क्या होता है, इसकी नीड कितनी है, इसकी इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है और इसका कॉन्सेप्ट, इसके बारे में हमने बात की थी कल। तो आज हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे कि स्टाफिंग एज पार्ट ऑफ ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट। इसकी डेफिनेशन है ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट इज़ द रिक्रूटमेंट। इसमें रिक्रूटमेंट आ जाता है, इसमें सिलेक्शन आ जाती है, इसमें डेवलपमेंट आ जाती है, यूटिलाइजेशन, कंपनसेशन एंड मोटिवेशन ऑफ ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। यानी कि जो एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज होते हैं उनकी रिक्रूटमेंट, उनकी सिलेक्शन, उनकी डेवलपमेंट, उनकी यूटिलाइजेशन, उनकी कंपनसेशन, उनकी मोटिवेशन ऑफ ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, ये ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट में आ जाता है। तो मैनेजिंग द ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट फंक्शन इन एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। यानी कि ये जो ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज को मैनेज करना बहुत बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंस है इसको एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, बिकॉज इट इज़ ऑन दियर परफॉर्मेंस दैट द सक्सेस ऑफ एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन डिपेंड्स। Human resource management is an important function of management which is concerned with managing and developing the human resources of an organization in terms of their knowledge, skills, talents, attitudes, and capabilities. It involves determining the manpower requirements of an organization, recruiting and selecting the best available employees, developing and motivating them. It also acts as a link between unions and government organizations in handling matters related to the welfare of the employees. Evolution of human resource management. Human resource management is a separate and specialized function which all managers need to perform। यानी कि ये एक स्पेशलाइज्ड फंक्शन है जो सभी मैनेजर्स को करने की ज़रूरत है। It is that branch of management which is concerned with the recruitment, selection, development and the best use of employees. Thus, human resource management ensures that every employee make his maximum contribution to the achievement of organizational goals. The human resource management that we find today is the result of a number of significant interrelated developments since the era of industrial revolution। यानी कि जब से इंडस्ट्रीज यानी कि इसमें रिवोल्यूशनाइजेशन हो गई थी तब से ये ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट है। With the emergence of trade union movements, need for a person who could act as an important link between management and workers was strongly felt. Such a role was initially performed by labor welfare officer, confined only to the welfare activities of the employees. With the passage of time, factory system was introduced. Thousands of persons were employed under one roof. The need for employing more and more employees had arisen, and the role for filling and giving people for the organization was given to a person known as personnel officer. His main function was to recruit, select, and place the employees. As time went by, fast changing technological development necessitated new skill development and training to existing and new employees. Human relations approach recognized people as the most valuable source in any organization. The traditional concept of labor welfare and personal management had to be replaced with human resource management. Presently, all these aspects with recruitment, selection, placement, and labor welfare, etc., are concern of human resource management. Keeping the foregoing in view, it can be concluded that human resource management has replaced the traditional concept of labor welfare and personal management. तो द मेन जो इसकी जो फंक्शन है ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट की, दैट इज डिटरमाइनिंग द नंबर एंड टाइप ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज रिक्वायर्ड, recruitment, selection and placement of employees, performance appraisal, providing training to the employees for improving their performance and career growth, motivating the employees by providing both financial and non-financial incentives, ensuring social security for employees and handling their grievances, defending enterprises from legal complications, establishing amicable relations between union and management in any enterprise or managerial functions are performed by individuals. No enterprise can function and achieve its objectives in the absence of efficient and competent employees. Committed, honest, determined, and loyal employees are required not only for the growth but also for the survival of organization. Therefore, human resource is considered as the most valuable resource of an enterprise. After deciding what is to be done and how it's to be done through planning and deciding the organization structure, the human requirement of the organization is assessed. Staffing function starts with the process of need assessment and goes on to recruit and select people as per the requirement of organization. Staffing is also considered as distinct functional area of management, just as marketing management, जिस तरह से marketing management है, इसी तरह से staffing जो है, staffing is also considered, ये भी एक function है managers की, management की. Further success of employees depends upon the quality and stability of the jobs for which they are appointed. Ensuring same is an important role played by the human resource department. Therefore, staffing is referred to as both with a line as well as a staffing activity. That is an essential function of the management as well as a distinct functional area of management. Thanks.